What we're talking about today is actually window washing. All you need is a bucket with some soapy water, a squeegee, a rag, and you're good to go. So how do we make $500 with this? The method is actually pretty simple, and if you follow it, in one Saturday, you can easily make $500 cash. If you wanted to relax a little bit more, you could do it in a weekend. And if you keep it going, that's easily $2,000 a month in extra money that you could be making. And it can also be recurring because the people that you work with want their windows cleaned all the time. So this can easily be $24,000 a year in extra money just for giving up a Saturday. All right, so the way we do this is we grab our bucket, we grab our soapy water, we grab a squeegee, we grab a rag, and we hit the street. Where do we go? Let's go to a neighborhood. All right, every house in this neighborhood has dirty windows. They just do. And we knock on the first door we see. Let them know, hey, we're here. We're offering a special today to wash windows. Offer them to do their windows for 20 bucks. Just the front windows. We'll do your front windows for